Friendship is a precious bond. Friendship is a precious bond, so friendship gets you strong. It's nurtured by our deeds and thought and shoot when things go wrong. Friendship will never be owned or bought or sold. It's a special freely given gift to treasure and to hold. Friendship is a lovely gift, a special gift from God to bring us happy memories as life's long part we trod. A friend is someone who cries when you are sorrowing and laughs when you are joyful. A friend is a hope when you are sad. A friend is a laugh when you are weeping. A friend is a passion when you are alone. A faithful friend is the elixir of life, and those who fear the Lord will find one. Faithful friends serve as mediators in the varied conflict situation. Thank you all for being my friends. We may not meet, but memory is alive. We may be in different professions and different fields of life, but memory remains. Wishing you all happy and blissful life. Thank you.